We just want to take a minute to let you know what to expect for your upcoming appointment. One of our highly trained and knowledgeable uniformed technicians will arrive at your property, introduce themselves, and ask if you'd like to do a pre-inspection walkthrough. That, of course, is completely optional, but we do this at every single property. We're looking at and documenting a number of things during the initial walkthrough, besides just getting a better understanding of what all we need to do to make your property look its best. Things like peeling paint, issues with gutters, shutters, or anything in disrepair. Our technicians will notate any issues as well as take pictures. Should there be a serious issue, someone from our team will contact you before we start cleaning. We're visually inspecting everything, from exterior outlets to weather stripping on doors and the seals around your windows. We'll inspect all screens as well as double check that the windows are all closed. All utility boxes will be checked and sealed if needed. Prior to our arrival, we ask that you move any outdoor furniture, rugs, potted plants, or anything else that might be affected by our cleaning solution. We can't wait to make your property shine.